Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to download files in Google Drive. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Google Drive website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the files that you have in your Google Drive account. As you can see here under suggested, I can see all of my recently opened files. Here I can see all of my folders where I have grouped my files into them. And if I scroll down even a bit more, I can see all of the files that I have that aren't grouped into any folder. But yeah guys, so let's go back to the top of the page and look at the left side of the screen. Here you will see multiple options that you can use for viewing and managing your files. So as you can see here, we can see our drive here, we can see our shared files, our recent files, our trash, and so on. So guys, now what we want to do using these options right here, we want to go ahead and find the files or folders that we want to download. I'm going to be using these files right here in my drive, which are under suggested. I'm going to be using just any file that I can come across for today's video to just show you how you do it. But yeah guys, it's very easy to do it. All you have to do is go ahead and find the file that you want to download, let's say this one, and all you have to do is just go ahead and right click on it. After right clicking on it guys, this will now open up this new drop down menu with multiple options. What you want to do is go ahead and find the download option right here. After finding download option guys, go ahead and click on download, and this will now download your file that you have chosen to your PC, and as you can see we have successfully downloaded a file. But guys, let's say that we have a folder with multiple files. What we can do to download them all at once, so we do not have to pick one by one files that we want to download, is we can go ahead and click anywhere and just drag across the files. We can select all of the files that we want to download, and after selecting the files guys, now we can go ahead and right click on any of the files and click download. And now this will start zipping the files right here, and after they are done zipping, they will start downloading and you will successfully download all of the files at once. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.